There are those huge birds at a distance. I'm gonna get near them to capture them. Yesterday I tried doing the same and they flew. So I'll try and be as sneaky as I can today. Oh god, they must be like my height. Such tall birds. One of them is struggling with a plant. It's so funny to watch. I've been standing here for almost like 10 minutes and they're standing right before me. They are calm AF. But the third one, it's doing something with the plant. And neither the plant is backing down nor him or her. Look at this one, spread its legs. Yes, nice, good stretch. You must be tired with all the working. Go have some coffee as well. Yeah, I'm not sure the video can do a justification to this, but these creatures must be as tall as I am. They are mighty, they are beautiful, and really, really close right now. It's such a bliss to be able to witness this from such close quarters. Here I am. Hi, I don't want to freak those guys out, so I'm not being loud.